Hello children, today in the series of narration, I'll tell you some other important rules about changing from direct speech to indirect speech. Today I have taken this topic where we have imperative sentences in direct speech and the important word is let. Okay, so how will you convert the sentences of direct speech into indirect speech when you confront or when you come across let. Okay, so there are 4 to 5 verbs that we use to convert, like we use suggest to, propose to, we use order and request also. Okay, so how do we convert? One by one you will be told right now. Okay, so see here. See, first we take very easy sentence like she said to the teacher. She said to the teacher, let me go home. Okay, so here like teacher. So here we can feel it's a kind of request. So this said to, it will be converted into what? Requested. She requested. She requested the teacher. Okay. Now the important change we have to feel. Okay. Now to convert reporting verb and reported speech with both. So what do we use? We use to let. Now me it is third means first person pronoun. It will change according to subject. Means first person means this first person pronoun will change according to subject. See, remember this formula 1, 2, 3 SON. So first person pronoun will change according to subject. So we use to let her go home. Clear? So this is how we change this sentence. Now we take next sentence like they said to the peon. They said to the peon, let them enter. Let them enter the room. Let them enter the room. So peon here is ordered. So we use the verb order now. So how do we change? They ordered. See, every time it cannot be second form. Suppose here it is first form, like they say to. So then it becomes order. If it is says to, anywhere, then it becomes order. So accordingly we have to change. So they ordered the peon to let. Now then it is third person, no change. Third person, no change. They ordered the peon to let them enter the room. Okay, as it is, it will be clear. But the next type, it is very, very important. See, suppose there is a sentence. I said to him, let us go to park. Let's go to park. See, this is very, very important among all the sentences where we use let. See, this is a kind of suggestion. We are asking his willingness. So this is a kind of suggestion. So when you have such kind of sentence, so said to means the reporting verb and reported speech both become very, very important when we change it into indirect speech. So how do we do? I. Now said to in this kind of sentence, when it is willingness, when you have said to, so there you change it either with suggested to or proposed to. So I suggested to. I suggested to him. In place of this, you can use proposed to also. I suggested to him, I proposed to him. Okay. And then to combine these two, we use that. I suggested to him that. Okay. I proposed to him that. And then letters. Letters will be changed either in we should or they should. We can use we should, we can use they should. But where do we use? Listen, suppose in reporting verb we have first person pronoun either in subject or object. Either we have first person pronoun here or here, we use we should. But if we have in both the situations, in both the places, we have second or third person pronoun, we use they should. So here we have first person pronoun, so we use they should. I mean we should. We should go to park. Okay. So one more sentence of the same time we shall do here to make you things like all the idea will be quite easy for you. So one more sentence I do here. Said to Ravi, let us join the meeting. Let us join the meeting. So how we do here? She said to will be changed in the same way. Suggested to. Here we can use one more verb. Proposed to. Both are options. You can use anything. Proposed to Ram. She proposed to Ram. Okay. Now we use that to combine reported verb and reported speech. Both these. She proposed to Ram that. Now let us. It will be used either in they should or we should. Here it will be they should because both the persons here, a speaker and listener, they belong to third person. So we use they should. See, we have to wait. Any of these, if any pronoun in the position of subject or object, if it is in first person, we use we should. Otherwise, if second and third person are there, we use they should. So they should join the meeting. Okay. So this kind of sentences, these are very very important for examination point of view. Children, next type it is optative sentence, where we have such kind of expressions in reporting means reported speech. So how do we change them into indirect speech from direct? We shall learn here today. See, suppose there is a sentence. He said. He said to Ram. He said to Ram, like, good morning. Good morning. So it is a kind of wish, we wish people good morning, good evening, good day, all these. So this reporting verb will be changed according to this wish. So how do we change? He wished. To whom did he wish? He wished. He wished Ram good morning. See, one more change I do here. In place of, suppose, there is a sentence, they said to the teacher, they said to the teacher, good evening, sir. They said to the teacher, good evening, sir. So teacher, respectable position. So how we change? They wished, or they respectfully wished the teacher good morning. Okay. They respectfully wish the teacher good morning. In this way, we shall do such kind of sentences. But every time it is not sentences where we wish, we, we depart also from them. And when we depart, we say other sentences, those departing words, goodbye, good evening, farewell. So how do we change? He said to me, good night. She said to me, good night. So the root word here it is bid. Here it is wish. So we change accordingly. So she bade me. She bade me good night. Okay. So where it is here. So in this way we use like bidding words. Okay. Departing words. We entertain them with bid in any form. Second form. Okay. First form also accordingly. And the wishing words we use the word wish. Okay, when we meet people for the first time and we say the wishing words, good morning, good evening, okay, all these. Clear? So next type also it is very important. It is the same type of sentences, but it has different structure. See, suppose there is a sentence, Ram said to me, may you live long. May you live long. So it is also a kind of wish. So here, how do we change Ram wish? Okay, now pronoun is there. So you can skip the pronoun or you can use it. Okay, Ram wished for me that. Ram wished for me that. Now you, second person pronoun, it will change according to object that I might. May will change into might. That I might live long. Okay. So this is how we change it. And one more thing. According to the new rules, we can skip everything and simply we can use the word praise. Like Ram prayed. And we can skip all these things like we have done here. Ram prayed that with which we change the direct speech into indirect speech. By that time, keep watching, keep learning.